Be water, my friend.
除咗好多香港人引用嘅 Be water, my friends 之外咧，其實李小龍仲有好多發人心醒嘅金句，例如佢相信身體嘅力量其實嚟自意念。出拳嘅時候，唔係我個拳頭打爛塊板，而係我嘅意念透過我嘅拳頭去表現出嚟。你要鍛鍊嘅唔單止係你嘅身體，更重要係你嘅意念。佢認為你嘅思想係可以決定你嘅未來。內心強大嘅人先可以塑造出強大嘅現實。近年好多人講精神內耗，譬如腦海裏邊無休止嘅負面思想，對人際關係嘅過度敏感，以及追求完美主義所帶嚟嘅無力感。呢啲情況其實李小龍都一一經歷過。佢拼命苦練，以為有完美嘅體型以及毫無破綻嘅招式係最重要嘅。但係有一晚佢突然靈光一閃，諗到你最致命嘅敵人唔係企喺你對面嗰個，而係你腦海裏面唔停咁話冇可能嗰把聲音。
Your deadliest opponent isn't standing across from you in combat. It's the voice in your mind that whispers, impossible.